machines could not be more amazing than they already are, then you're wrong. There is so much more that we have left to explore with industrial and construction's video as we're about to embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the world of construction machines and equipment.
Journey through construction technology that's not just impressive, it's borderline unbelievable. Let's start with something that feels straight out of the future, the automatic bricklaying robot. For decades, bricklaying was slow, exhausting, and demanded incredible patience from workers. One small mistake could mean hours of correction. But suddenly, this robot enters the scene and flips the script completely. It places bricks automatically, one after another, with near-perfect precision. No fatigue, no distractions, no hesitation. The real shock? It works tirelessly without constant human intervention, drastically cutting labor costs while accelerating entire construction projects. Some experts even say this could redefine traditional construction jobs sooner than people expect. Now, shifting from precision to pure strength, meet the Atlant 6000. This isn't just another crane. It's a heavyweight engineered for situations where mistakes simply aren't allowed. From demolition sites and cement plants to underground construction, and even nuclear industry applications, this machine operates where precision and safety are absolutely critical. With imposing dimensions and a powerful design, handling it demands expertise and respect. One of its standout features is its working radius, about 6.5 meters horizontally and roughly 7.3 meters vertically. That flexibility allows it to function in environments where conventional cranes struggle. Advanced control systems, reinforced structural design, and exceptional lifting capacity make it ideal for highly complex tasks. What truly separates the Atlant 6000, though, is how confidently it handles massive loads while maintaining pinpoint accuracy. In industries where a single error could cost millions, or worse, machines like this aren't optional, they're essential. But not every construction site has the luxury of wide-open space. That's where the SPX 532 crawler crane changes the game. Compact, versatile, and surprisingly powerful, it's designed specifically for tight, challenging environments. Urban construction sites, confined industrial zones, places where larger cranes simply can't operate. This machine thrives there. Its advanced stability system constantly monitors position, load balance, and terrain conditions through sensors and intelligent controls. Adjustments happen in real time, keeping the crane steady even on uneven ground or while lifting heavy materials. That level of responsiveness makes it a trusted choice when stability isn't just important, it's critical. Its maneuverability has quietly made it a favorite in modern city construction, where adaptability often determines whether a project succeeds or stalls. Next, let's look at a tool that seems simple at first glance but solves a surprisingly frustrating problem: the exact one curb grip. Handling curbstones used to involve heavy manual labor, awkward positioning, and a high risk of misalignment. The specialized tool streamlines the entire process. Its intelligent gripping design allows precise placement with minimal physical strain. The result? Faster installation, better accuracy, and significantly reduced labor effort. It's a reminder that sometimes innovation isn't about size. It's about solving very specific problems exceptionally well. Moving on to concrete finishing, the Screed Saver Elite steps in where precision truly matters. Achieving smooth, level concrete surfaces has always been challenging, especially on large projects. This machine distributes and levels concrete evenly using advanced control systems that minimize human error. The payoff is consistent. Flawless finishes delivered far quicker than traditional methods. For projects where surface accuracy directly affects durability and safety, equipment like this becomes indispensable. Now let's talk about serious material movement. The FR250. Designed for mining and heavy construction environments, this machine handles bulk material transport with impressive efficiency. It incorporates advanced communication systems, radio remote controls, and sensors that allow operators to manage complex underground conditions safely. Its hydraulic technology is built to resist overload, ensuring reliable operation even in demanding geological environments. Capable of operating in methane and non-methane mines and temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius, it can carve tunnels nearly 4.7 meters high through rock formations with compressive strengths reaching 110 MPa. That's not just engineering, that's control power. Its ability to move heavy material over long distances significantly reduces manual labor while boosting productivity. Switching gears, the Wacker Neuson ET90 compact excavator proves that size isn't everything. Built for versatility, it handles digging, lifting, and site preparation tasks efficiently even in restricted spaces. Its compact footprint allows access where larger excavators can't go, yet it still delivers strong performance. This adaptability makes it particularly valuable in urban construction, renovation projects, and precision-focused work environments. And then comes a surprising innovation in road safety, the Fiber Spot Flex road marking system. Traditional road markings fade, crack, and become dangerous when visibility drops. This technology uses advanced materials and application techniques to create markings that remain visible even in harsh weather conditions. The result isn't just cosmetic improvement. It directly contributes to accident reduction and smoother traffic flow. Sometimes the smallest details on a road make the biggest difference. In road construction itself, the NEMCH paving system introduces a new level of flexibility. It adapts to different paving materials and varying road profiles with remarkable precision. Instead of being limited to one type of job, it adjusts dynamically, ensuring consistent quality while speeding up construction timelines. In an industry where delays cost heavily, that adaptability is a game changer. Sustainability also enters the picture with the BOP SP600 asphalt recycling system. Rather than discarding old asphalt, this machine grinds it down and repurposes it for new road layers. That reduces raw material consumption, lowers costs, and significantly cuts environmental impact. It's not just efficient. It represents a shift toward more responsible infrastructure development. Its diesel-powered hydraulic system drives a vibrating screed plate that consolidates material, removes air pockets, and produces a stronger, longer-lasting surface. And if you think rock excavation still relies mainly on blasting, here's the twist. The Tesmec 1150 XHD Rock Hog offers a controlled alternative. Equipped with advanced cutting technology, it slices through extremely tough rock formations with precision. That means less reliance on explosives, improved safety, and faster progress in challenging terrain. Road construction through rocky landscapes suddenly becomes far more predictable. Finally, let's zoom out from individual machines to a project that shows what happens when all this technology comes together. The WorkGen Group's rehabilitation and expansion of Nigeria's A2 highway isn't just construction. It's infrastructure transformation. Advanced machinery, modern engineering approaches, and coordinated planning are reshaping transportation in the region, demonstrating how powerful the right equipment can be when used strategically. And honestly, this is just scratching the surface. Because the next wave of construction technology, it might not just change how we build, it could change who or what is actually doing the building, that not just rehabilitate the highway, but expand it to meet the explosive growth of the surrounding communities. This isn't just about pouring asphalt. It's about unlocking economic potential. Faster transport means stronger trade. Better roads means safer travel. And safer travel transforms everyday life. The WorkGen Group's effort on Nigeria's A2 highway proves that when modern machinery meets bold vision, infrastructure becomes more than concrete and steel. It becomes opportunity. And just when you think we've seen it all, let's talk about the Power Kerber 5700C, a machine that doesn't just build sidewalks, it perfects them. Sidewalks may seem ordinary, but in dense urban environments, precision is everything. One miscalculation can affect drainage, pedestrian safety, or accessibility. The 5700C approaches this with surgical accuracy. It shapes smooth, visually clean pathways that blend seamlessly into complex city landscapes. Its hydraulic system controls depth, spacing, and slope with remarkable consistency. A vibrating plate consolidates the concrete, removing air pockets and increasing long-term durability. The result? Stronger, cleaner finishes that look effortless, but are anything but. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Emergency shutoff systems, remote control operation for added operator protection, and intuitive controls make it practical as well as powerful. And here's the twist. What used to require large crews working for days can now be completed faster, cleaner, and with fewer errors. Efficiency isn't replacing craftsmanship, it's enhancing it. Now, let's switch gears to something more aggressive. the V70 tree disc mulcher. Mounted onto heavy-duty skid steers or excavators, this attachment doesn't trim trees, it obliterates them. With a massive cutting disc and sharp, replaceable teeth, it can mulch trees up to 8 inches in diameter in seconds. Land clearing that once dragged on for days can now be completed at astonishing speed. Its powerful hydraulic motor and rugged construction allow it to take on dense forestry and construction site, clearing without hesitation. Quick change hammers, an adjustable debris control push bar, and a compact frame make it practical even in tight spaces. Its controlled destruction, fast, efficient, and calculated. If rock excavation or heavy demolition is on the agenda, the Chemrock EK chain cutter raises the stakes. With cutting forces reaching up to 7,200 Newton meters, this attachment slices through rock and reinforced concrete with intimidating precision. Interchangeable chains, available in multiple lengths and thicknesses, adapted for specific applications. What truly stands out is its integrated pressure release valve, which prevents overloading and ensures controlled, safe operation. Despite its serious cutting power, it runs at relatively low noise levels, making it surprisingly suitable for urban environments where sound restrictions matter. Heavy-duty performance without the chaos. Speaking of breaking down the unbreakable, the Ray Hydraulic Pile Breaker SP380 is purpose-built to dismantle massive concrete piles. Attached securely to an excavator through a specialized adapter plate, it allows operators to apply control hydraulic force directly to solid structures. Instead of unpredictable smashing, it crushes concrete carefully into manageable fragments for recycling or disposal. Precision destruction once again replaces brute force. Shifting to agriculture, the Savannah 1200 rotary rake proves that innovation isn't limited to construction sites. Designed to gather and turn hay efficiently, it covers large areas quickly when towed behind a tractor. Adjustable rake height, width, and speed allow farmers to tailor performance to field conditions. Its rubber tines gently lift and turn crops without damaging them, preserving quality through harvest. For farmers aiming for premium yields, that gentle handling can make a measurable difference. Then there's the SIP Spider 1500/14T trail sprayer, built for large-scale crop treatment. With a tank capacity of up to 1,500 liters and a hydraulic boom stretching 14 meters, it covers wide fields in fewer passes. Adjustable boom height allows smooth operation even across uneven terrain or orchard rows. Safety systems like an automatic shutoff valve prevent overspraying or chemical waste when the boom is improperly positioned. Efficiency meets responsibility, and in agriculture, that balance is critical. Back on the construction side, the Hi-Max skid steer ripper brings raw earth-moving capability. Its pivoting shank design maximizes penetration, while reducing stress on both the attachment and the machine itself. Built tough yet easy to mount thanks to quick-attach technology, it tears through compacted soil and tough ground conditions without hesitation. It's simple but brutally effective. The Atera concrete mixer takes versatility further. This skid steer attachment features a helical-shaped mixing auger that ensures thorough, consistent blending. A hydraulic gate provides precise control over material flow, allowing operators to pour concrete exactly where needed. Compact yet durable, it thrives in tight job sites where traditional mixers struggle. Small footprint, serious output. For grading tasks, the skid steer grader attachment delivers control precision. Its adjustable blade can tilt and rotate to create accurate leveling results. With a reversible cutting edge and user-friendly controls, operators can adjust angles quickly and efficiently. Durable construction ensures it handles heavy use without compromise, making it a reliable choice for contractors who demand clean, professional finishes. And finally, the CAT H130GC hammer. Designed for compatibility with various CAT excavators, this hydraulic hammer combines powerful impact energy with reduced vibration and noise. Its enclosed housing dampens sound while protecting internal components, making it more efficient and operator-friendly than traditional designs. From trenching to demolition, it brings force without unnecessary disruption. And that's just a glimpse into the machine's reshaping industries across the world. If one field caught your attention, transportation, construction, agriculture, there's even more waiting for you on this channel. Technology is evolving faster than ever, And these machines are only the beginning. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which machine surprised you the most? Which one would you want to see in action? Until next time, stay curious. Because the future isn't just being imagined, it's being built.